upgrade Roblox easy steps, close quote. This includes the exact fix steps, SEO title, description, tags, keywords, and a suggested pinned comment designed to boost watch time, click-through rate, and engagement. Shash full step-by-step guide, how to fix Roblox upgrade problem. Problem: when trying to play Roblox, users often see you need to upgrade Roblox to continue. Clicking upgrade does nothing, game won't load or loop restarts. Step-by-step fix. Step 1, fully close all Roblox processes. 1, press Ctrl-Shift-S to open Task Manager. 2, end all processes named Roblox Player Beta.exe, Roblox Studio Beta.exe. 3, close Task Manager. Close Step 2, clear Roblox cache, important. Open quote, fixes stuck or corrupted update files. Close quote. 1, press Wins-R, type, you can see the code in our conversation history. 2, delete the folder versions. 3, then go to, you can see the code in our conversation history and delete everything related to Roblox. Step 3, download latest Roblox installer. Open quote, manually reinstall ensures you get the latest build. Close quote. 1, visit https://www.roblox.com. Please open your app to see this link. 2, log in, launch any game. It will prompt to download and install Roblox. 3, download the setup and install. Step 4, reset DNS and internet cache. Optional but helpful. 1, open command prompt as admin. 2, type the following commands one by one. You can see the code in our conversation history. 3, start your PC. Step 5, disable antivirus or add exception. Open quote, some antivirus apps block update files. Close quote. Add Roblox folders to the exception list. Sent local app data sesh Roblox. Sent program files edi6. Sent Roblox. Step 6, reinstall Roblox. Clean. Open quote, if the issue still isn't fixed. Close quote. 1, go to control panel, uninstall a program. 2, uninstall Roblox. 3, then reinstall using fresh installer from roblox.com. SEO video title, how to fix Roblox upgrade problem, how to upgrade Roblox, easy steps.